Good morning students. I hope you all have understood the videos of the lesson which I have shared till now. Today we'll see about the 7th lesson, that is the gardener, which is written by P. Lankesh. So we'll start the summary of this lesson now. See, it is the story of an old man who met the author in Chennarayapatam. The old man had come from 100 miles away with a newspaper tucked under his arm, and he was having a spade to cut tender coconut trees. He was well versed in agriculture and management of workers. So next, the farmer was in need of a job, and so the owner of the farm appoints him, and when the old man was appointed, the profit of the plantation also improved and petty thefts were ended. Here petty thefts means robbers, because the farmer was working very hard here. The acres of the land began to extend and the income of the money increased. So there was an advantage of that old man coming into the owner's farm. The owner started neglecting the farm and got addicted to bad habits. Next, you see here the lifestyle of the owner was drastically, means extremely changed here, because the farmer was working in his plantation. So the owner's wife was in tension, because after getting wealth and property, the owner became lethargic. Lethargic means lazy here. So he did not show his interest in work. He goes just chit-chatting with the friends, and he had some affairs also. So this all the problems made the owner's wife in the confusion whether the old man's arrival is good or bad. The farmer understood the plight, means here the condition or the situation of the owner's wife, because she was sitting alone on the embankment of the well thinking. So here, understanding her concern, the farmer went near owner's wife and offered a tender coconut. Here they will ask you for a 1 mark question, that is, what did the farmer offer to the owner's wife? So he gave her a tender coconut is the answer. So here you see, he also sits beside the farmer's wife, and he will start telling the story about the Tamanna and Basvaya. It was the time of the sunset, but he said it takes another name, that was Sangoji, because Basvaya's original name was Sangoji. This also they will ask you for 1 mark question. What was Basvaya called with another name, that is Sangoji. Tamanna was himself here. Then Tamanna was having 1000 acres of a land, and Basvaya had 800 acres of land. We'll see now what happened. See, the both Basvaya and Tamanna were enemies. Tamanna was Basvaya's rival. If Tamanna bought 4 more acres of land, Basvaya also followed the same. If one had 10 friends, the other acquired 15 admirers. So there was no land left in the village for them to buy at all. Tamanna had 1000 acres and Basvaya owned 800 acres of land. So Basvaya acquired 200 acres of Tamanna's land forcibly. Tamanna was advised by his supporters about the various means available for getting back his land. That is, there was a court of a law, or take the help of the police, or lastly all his friends were ready to attack Basvaya and take 200 acres of land. But Tamanna was not ready to do this. So Tamanna decided to put an end to the rivalry, means here competition. he started singing songs and ballads regarding Basavaya's cruelty and meanness, means not kind here. So here what happened is that this made Tamanna popular in all the surrounding villages, and very soon he was felicitated as the best poet of the times. Basavaya could not compete with Tamanna because he could not sing a song and could not tolerate it. So he started to collect more and more material wealth and money and gold, and encroaching more and more into Tamanna's land. He built a huge palace for him and brought scholars and poets to praise him. He bedecked himself with the gold and diamonds. In spite of all this, his house looked dull because Tamanna's books were not there. So scholars said that his house was empty without Tamanna's book. So he felt bad here and he could not tolerate it. One day Tamanna planned for something, saying that Tamanna was ill, and Basavaya came to know that Tamanna was not well. Tamanna's disease was Basavaya's healthier, because he felt as if he had won here and he was a strong and healthy and hearty here, means good feelings. Tamanna made another plan to hit his rival, that was a death. It was to avoid him from the stiff competition. So Tamanna disappeared from that place. All thought Tamanna was dead, and here Basavaya was left with no rival. He had no more reason to live in this world, got bored and died away. When Tamanna heard the news of Basavaya, that he has passed away, he forgot all his songs and ballads and became a non-entity, means he was not interested in anything here. At the end, the old man consoles the owner's wife that her husband is also being consumed, means destroyed here, by some feeling of a revenge, which is present in every human being's life. She cannot do anything but wait for a day when he is disillusioned, means disappointed by all this, like Tamanna or the old man himself, and retreat from it all. It shows that man lives for some kind of unbearable vengefulness. He is so complicated until his death. Rivalry cannot survive without the adversary, means conflict. Thank you, one and all.